with a very small needle.
Mm-hmm.
So you can barely feel it. You guys ready? Okay. Hey guys, we are now back and we're doing my young patient's lip. And now her lip is quite beautiful already, and it doesn't need much. So I'm just doing fine tuning of the border and a little bit of volume with Volbella. And the reason I like Volbella's, bear with me, is it's so soft. You can barely tell anyone had it done, but it also lasts like a year, if not longer in some people. The other great thing about this needle, or this filler, is the needle is super small. It's like a baby needle. So it's way less painful, because lips are painful no matter what you do. Now with her, we're trying to do a different approach. We're doing what's called a pillar technique. It hurts a little bit more, but it allows me to really lift her lip up and get the pink show, which is what I want. She has a gorgeous Cupid's bow, which is the middle part of her lip, and we really want that to show when she smiles. Balance her chin now. Sorry.
How do you decide whether you want to use a cannula or not?
So I'm fine tuning today. With finesse, we use a needle. For large volume and for larger contouring, we'll use a cannula. But you see how we were able to get this to lift now? Now we're going to actually pinch the pillar, go right in there, give her a little volume. This is what makes her pop, because she does great with the columns being defined, so you can see there. And then just a little bit at the base. So that's subtle plumping. Just wipe that off. Right now, obviously, it looks a little swollen and looks a little white because there's numbing medicine in it. But if I show her, she's gonna see it right away. What do you think?
Oh my god, I love them. I love them. They're
See,
beautiful.
that's so simple. Such a little change, but just that little bit of plumping. Then all you got to do is add Lucy & Co. lip plumper, and the lip amazing. It's like crazy how it looks. But now you have a nice Cupid's bow. It's very defined. It's soft. It doesn't look overdone. My thing is you don't want to go much more than that, especially with her having very slim lip. That's it.